if A, B, C and D are in GP, then prove that A to the power n, B to the power n, B to the power n plus C to the power n and C to the power n plus D to the power n are also in GP. Okay, यदि A, B, C और D गुणोत्तर श्रेणी में है तो सिद्ध करना है कि A की पावर n, B की पावर प्लस B की पावर n, B की पावर n प्लस C की पावर n और C की पावर n प्लस D की पावर n B GP में है. Since A, B, C and D are in GP, okay, GP में है तो क्या होना चाहिए B upon A, then B upon A should be equals to C upon B equals to D upon C, then B upon A, C upon A and D upon C should be equals to let lambda. What? Lambda implies that B upon A equals to lambda, that means B equals to A lambda. Equation number 1. Okay, second one, C upon B also equals to lambda, that means C equals to what? B lambda. Equation second. ओके, इक्वेशन सेकंड नहीं है, इसको आगे कर लेते हैं. ठीक है, द वैल्यू ऑफ v इक्वल्स टू a lambda into lambda, that is a lambda square. The value of c, equation second, implies that d upon c equals to lambda, that means d equals to what? C lambda. The value of c, a lambda square into lambda, that is a lambda, it's a cube. The value of d. We have to show that these three terms are in GP. First one, a to the power n plus b to the power n, b to the power n plus c to the power n and c to the power n plus d to the power n are in GP. That means the ratio of this one, second term and first term, should be equals to the ratio of third term and second one. Now find out b to the power n plus c to the power n upon a to the power n plus b to the power n equals to the value of v equals to a lambda. Okay, it's the power n plus the value of c, what? A lambda square, it's the power n, a to the power n plus value of v, a lambda, it's the power n. Now a to the power n lambda to the power n plus a to the power n lambda to the power 2n upon a to the power n plus a to the power n lambda to the power n. Here a to the power n common, also lambda to the power n is also common. A to the power n lambda to the power n. Here remains 1 plus here remains lambda to the power n upon a to the power n is common. Okay, a to the power n is common. Here remains 1 plus lambda to the power n. 1 plus lambda to the power n, 1 plus lambda to the power n cancel out. A to the power n cancel out. That is lambda to the power n. B to the power n plus c to the power n upon a to the power n plus b to the power n. Okay, the value of this one. Okay, this. Now ratio between third term and second term. C to the power n plus d to the power n upon b to the power n plus c to the power n equals to value of c, a lambda square, a lambda square, its power n, plus value of d, a lambda cube, its power n, upon b means a lambda, its power n, plus c means a lambda square, its power n, that is a to the power n lambda to the power 2n, plus a to the power n lambda to the power 3n, upon a to the power n lambda to the power n, plus a to the power n lambda to the power 2n. A to the power n is common. A to the power lambda 2n is common. A to the power lambda to the power 2n, lambda to the power 2n is common. Here remains 1, plus here remains lambda to the power n, upon a to the power n is common, lambda to the power n also common. Here remains 1, plus here remains lambda to the power n. 1 plus lambda to the power n, 1 plus lambda to the power n cancel out. A to the power n, a to the power cancel out. A to the power 2n upon a to the power n, lambda to the power n. Now, the value of c to the power n plus d to the power n upon b to the power n plus c to the power n equals to lambda to the power n. These two. Okay. In these two terms, right hand side is equal. Therefore, left hand sides are also equal. Implies that from these two implies that c to the power n plus d to the power n upon b to the power n plus c to the power n equals to b to the power n plus c to the power n upon a to the power n plus b to the power n. Therefore, b to the power n into b to the power n plus c to the power n into this one, b to the power n plus c to the power n, its whole square equals to a to the power n plus b to the power n into c to the power n plus d to the power n. Implies that first, second and third, these three terms are in GP. A to the power n plus b to the power n. Okay? B to the power n plus c to the power n and c to the power n plus d to the power n are in GP. That's it.